Hello everyone, welcome back and happy new year. I hope you all had an amazing Christmas. Today is gonna be a little bit different. I'm not gonna do any DIYs. I'm going to be doing winter decorate with me. I would like to share a few ideas on how to style shelves. I'm just going to do like simple touches of winter around the house. Nothing too crazy, nothing like Christmas. It's just a beautiful transition from Christmas into winter. So stay with me and let's get started. I'm really excited for this video because we got all of our Christmas decor taken down and I'm ready to decorate the house for winter. I'm going to go through what I already have and see what I can use of. So this empty space, I'm filling with logs and it gives me the kind of farmhouse vibe. As you know, I love the style, and to me winter decorating is all about soft, cozy, warm and natural peaceful color palette that brings a sense of calm and relaxation to the space. Don't be afraid to incorporate different sizes, textures and shapes so it looks a lot more visually interesting.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. So loud as the hours pass, we're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. The moonlight, summer sky, it was the best we ever had. And we'll stay on forever. We'll never have regret.
So let's move on to this shelf, and most of my decorations I made myself, and I will leave a link below in the description box. I love to incorporate pine cones in my winter decoration, also frosted cedar stems, pine branches and etc.
We're gonna be
So this is kind of how this side of the room is looking, and I absolutely love it. To me it just feels cozy and wintry, just perfect for the time of the year. So thank you guys for watching, and if you are new, I would love if you would subscribe to my channel. It really support and help me out a lot, and I see you all in my next video.